Today we have these super ugly faded headlights on this Volvo XC90, and we're going to be cleaning them with the Meguiars two-step stuff. So the first step is taking this and cleaning solution, putting about a quarter-sized amount on here. That's probably quarter-sized. Close enough. Quarter-sized amount. Too much is better than not enough. Start rubbing. It says straight across. I don't like straight across, I like going circles. Yep, feels better. And there goes our neighbor's bunk here. You know, put some pressure when you're doing this. Okay, now you're going to go get a damp rag. It recommends if you get anything on your paint, you wipe it off, so you don't want to get that on your paint. I let it on mine, it was fine. But it's just following the instructions I'm going to give you guys. Don't want to mess it up. So get it off your paint, get your wet rag or your damp rag. It doesn't want damp, that's what you need. You're just getting this off, that's what you're doing. Take a dry rag or a towel. Okay, so I ain't clean enough, so we're just gonna get a little more done. Now, these aren't going to be the best headlights. These aren't going to be the prettiest looking headlights because they're old and original to this car. This is a 2009, I think. I don't quite know though. So they're not going to look brand new, but they're going to look pretty good, hopefully. It's definitely going to look better than before. It's not going to look new. Make sure you get this nice and clean. I don't know what this strip of faded is, but someone before me just didn't clean it good enough. Now you want to take your two-step. This is your keep clear headlight coating. So shake it good. I already shook mine. I already used it. They suggest you tape off any paint on your car so you don't mess it up. But I just wiped it off after I was done. Put some water on it, you're good. So first you're going to need a 50% coating. So it's not a lot. It doesn't have to be exactly 50%, but just not a whole entire can. You know what I mean? It's going to be a light coating to start with. And then you're going to want to let that sit for 3 to 5 minutes. First coating. It looks really good compared to the old. while this one's drying, I'm going to hop over and do the other one. See you over there. I'll over the other one now. We're going to get this thing cleaned up. This has been over 5 minutes, so we're going to spray it down again. This time you want a good coat, not too much because you're going to run. That looks pretty good. Here it is. Looks great. Don't leave this out. It says in the box, don't let water or dry or touch it or anything within 24 hours. But I did my trucks last night and they look great still, and it had water on it. So I mean, it's fine to do it. It'll be fine if you let it out in the rain overnight. We're gonna let that dry. Let this dry. Throw another coat on, and we'll be good. Okay, it's been 3 to 5 minutes. Let's throw our last coat in the headlights. Alright, both headlights are done. They look excellent. A lot better. I'll throw a before picture up here. Look great. Also did this one earlier. I'll throw a before and after picture of these up. I did these yesterday too. I could have done a little more. They still do have a lot of yellow on them. I'll probably do them again here. So thanks for watching me clean these headlights. Hope you enjoyed.